Hey guys, so I have been a Cursor user for over 1 year, and now that we have Cursor 2.0 came out months ago, I just wanted to say a few things and show you guys a little demo where I'm trying this multi-agent feature, which I think is really cool. And specifically, I tried it for my use case. I mean, I have several use cases, obviously, as a software engineer, but when I put on my UX UI hat and when I create user interfaces and I work with front end, I it was very interesting trying Cursor, the multi-agent feature. And at first, I was really skeptical because I thought, well, not only is it gonna spend 5 times more money, but it will also mean that, for example, if I select 5 different agents, does it not mean that I will have to read 5 times more code and evaluate and all this? But after trying it specifically for my use case, creating this section of a website, I found it really, really helpful. Very briefly, what I'm doing is I am developing a quick little website for my Maria Talks Tech channel, Maria Talks Tech little side business. And I created the first section, and then I wanted to create the second section where I basically say what I'm doing. So the first hero section I made myself, and for the second section, I decided to ask Cursor multi-agent feature to create some variations for me. And I selected 5 agents. I selected 3 ChatGPT 5 agents. I just wanted to see what they can come up with. And they did come up with 3 different designs, which I thought was pretty good. I also selected Cursor's new AI model called Composer One, which I think they should have just called it a Composer, but anyway, Composer One. And I also selected Sonnet 4.5 because historically, Sonnet, it was always really good for UI work. So historically, it was better for UI work than ChatGPT, but ChatGPT 5 model, I think, is catching up. So let me show you 5 different variations of that second section. And then you will see how handy it is when you have 5 different agents creating 5 different versions of that section. Okay, here we are. I have all my 5 screens open. I'm sorry, I know it looks really chaotic and crazy, but this is the website that I'm creating. And again, I ask 5 different agents, 3 ChatGPT 5 ones, and Composer and Sonnet. And for convenience, I just have all of them open so you can see. And let's start with the first one, which is ChatGPT 5. And so again, this section, the top section, I made myself. And the second section where I kind of trying to introduce myself, this is the section that we're going to be evaluating, right? So this is what ChatGPT 5 made, the first agent. And this one, I think, is going to be the most content heavy, which I'm not sure that I want, but it's nice to have that option. The second one is basically it created this circle, which is supposed to be my a picture of me, which I'm not sure I need it because I already have it here. I do like these little pills, and I like how it's how it's displayed here. The third one, again, ChatGPT 5, little bit more color, but this is a little bit screwed up here, and this should be separate. A decade in software engineering, creator, consultant, this should be definitely separate. This should not be part of this paragraph. The next one is this. No, we already covered that. So that was ChatGPT 5, all 3 of them. Composer 1. I do like the design, but it kind of screwed up this icon here. But I do like these kind of a pills UI looking things, and it did a good job with this, but it's too hard to read. But overall, I don't hate it. And the last one, Sonnet, it produced that, which the color gradient is closer to my color scheme, as you can see. So I like that. This is an interesting, I don't know if you can see it, interesting little separator here. But it used my little icon that I already have here. So I don't know. I definitely have some choices. I will basically be picking and choosing between all of them. But I just wanted to show you real quick that I all of a sudden have five different versions, and I can I can just look at them. I can see what is useful, and all this AI tooling. This is here to save us time, to make us more efficient, so we can get stuff done. It's, in my opinion, it's not replacing anybody, at least right now. But as far as the efficiency, as far as kind of saving time, I think it's pretty cool. I am excited to see what can be done with it, how much further this can be taken. All right, guys, let me know in the comments, as always, what do you think? What do you think about Cursor? Did you play with it? How do you like this new interface? How do you like the tooling? Yeah, let me know. Bye.